Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to schedule your online ordering to be off for scheduled events like Christmas or another holiday that you might be closed, or if you have some event where you're just planning on having the store closed, but you don't want to turn it off to a point to where you have to remember to go turn it back on. You want it to be automatic. So what you can do is you can go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. And then go to your menu icon up here at the top left, and go to location setup. And then we're going to go to online ordering. And then we're going to go to the online ordering tab here in the middle. And we're going to scroll all the way down. So the very last thing on here is called carryout override menu and hours. So all you do is click the plus new and you add a date. I'm just going to pick today's date. Now, able to save this, you have to select a menu, but we don't want to select a menu because this is carryout override. So we don't want to select an active menu. What I like to do is go ahead and go create a menu group, which is up here at the top left, and then account menu, and then groups. So here I'm just going to create a new group up here at the top. I'm just going to call it closed menu. I'm just going to call it closed. Let's just keep it simple. Okay, I'm going to have a start date of today. Don't have to have an end date. I'm not going to use specific hours. And I do want it to be available online. I'm not going to assign any sections to it because this is the point of making this group, is I'm not going to have anything assigned to it. I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to go back to the menu up here, back to location setup, and back to online ordering, back to the online ordering tab, going all the way down at the bottom. I'm going to select new. I'm going to pick today's date. And you can add as many dates here as you want. You can add Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever. It's all gonna, if I add tomorrow, it's gonna show up there. And add the next day, so on and so forth. So now I'm gonna choose the group closed, and I'm just gonna tell it that it's all day long. I'm gonna hit save. It's gonna give me the save successful here, and then don't forget to publish changes. Now, this was active, allowing me to order stuff. I'm going to refresh. And still going to allow me to do pickup, but it's going to show that it's currently disabled. And that is exactly what we would want in this case. So that's showing that the override worked, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.